Hello everyone, let's learn how to fix direct message on TikTok. Are you experiencing problems with direct messages on TikTok? Frustrated with glitches and errors that prevent you from communicating with your friends and followers? So I have a solution for you. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, open Settings app on your device. After that, you can scroll down to find Apps option, or you can go on search bar, then type Apps, and go on it. Next, go on Manage Apps. In my case, this is second option. Now you can scroll down to find TikTok app, or you can go on search bar and type TikTok, and then go on it. Now you need to clear data from TikTok. Next, I will clear cache from TikTok app. If that doesn't work, go to Reinstall app. So first delete app and then again download app. If that doesn't work, go on TikTok app on your profile. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu, and scroll down to go on Support and About section. Next, go on Report a Problem by tapping on it. Now follow my steps carefully, because this steps is important. So scroll down to find direct message, and when you find, click on it. Now click on Other. And then select No on if your problem solved L, and next click on Need more help. Now you need to send message to TikTok to fix your problem. You can send message like this, or you can send different one, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.